Do you want to see him do the pancake? Here it goes. We have here an oatmeal and a crushed apple. Nanay used this to crush the apple. But if you don't have this, you can just grate it. Also, Nanay prepared a hot water. So here are the steps. Just need to pour a small amount of water so that the oatmeal will be cooked. There. Let's wait for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the oatmeal will be cooked by the hot water. And then we will pour this apple. And then we will add some eggs. There, the eggs. And I will get an egg, crack it, and then put it on the cooked oatmeal. And then we will beat it. Just 1 egg. 1 egg is enough. After doing this, you may now put the apple there and mix it. To make this more flavorful, we can add the cinnamon, but it's optional. Nanay used 1 apple for this. So this is so many. We can make much of a pancake here. See that? And then cinnamon. Let's put some cinnamon. Just 1 tuck. Oh, there. Then mix it again. Looks yummy, huh? When this is ready, I think this is already ready. We can turn on the fire. What fire? Dakalan. And I turned on the fire. And we will put some oil. So you can use any kind of oil, but to be more healthy, you can use butter for this. Here it goes. Yan. Just a slow fire for this. Here's your pancake. How was it? Did you like it? Here's Tinkle. Approve? More. Love it?
Nakita ko lang siya dito sa kalsada. Hindi mo kami magkasama pa pa.
One more.
Ilang beses ko sasabihin sa'yo. Beses kong sinabi sa'yo.
Yummy?
Ayoko na aabutan ka ng gabi sa
Yummy. Yay. You want more?